A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you are all fit and fine. So, welcome to the EVS class. So, in the last class, we have started our second chapter, which says Family as First School. Okay, so today we are going to read about different values and habits. Yes, last day we have seen that why we say family as first school, because we get to learn different habits and the different values from our family members. Yes, so today we are going to learn about different values and the different habits. Okay, now before starting the main explanation, I will tell you one story. This is a story of a boy named Arnab. Okay, one day Arnab was playing. While playing, he saw an old lady was walking with a stick. Okay, and suddenly what happened? The stick fell from her hand. Yes, now Arnab, what he did, he ran to that lady and then he helped the lady to pick up the stick and helped her to walk again. Okay, so dear children, what we have learned from this story, we learned that Arnab, he helped that lady, isn't it? He helped that lady. So he is a very good boy and he has helped that lady to walk again. Yes, so what we have seen that Arnab has a very good habit of helping others. Yes, of helping others. And from where he has learned this habit? He has learned this habit of helping from his family, isn't it? He might have seen his family members helping each other, and so he has learned this habit of helping from his family. Okay, so dear children, there are different habits and different values we learn from our family members. Okay, now see here. See, habits are the activities that we do daily. Okay, these are the activities we do daily. And what are those activities? Those are the eating, walking, talking, sleeping, and so on. Now tell me, who taught you these things? Who taught you to who taught you how to eat? Who taught you how to walk, how to talk with others? Your family members, isn't it? Your family members, they have taught you how to eat your food, how to take the spoon in your hand and to take the spoon in your hand and to have your food. They have taught you how to walk, how to give the steps, how to put the steps. Yes, they have taught you how to talk with other people. Yes, when you meet someone, you should say hi, hello, how are you? Yes, when you are meeting some elder persons, yes, when you're meeting some elder person, you should respect them. Yes, these are all the habits that you have learned from your family members, isn't it? Yes, so now come to the next page. See, the second is the values. Values are the good actions and the thoughts, like what Arnab did. I told you, Arnab has learned the habit of helping from his family. Yes, and for that reason he has helped the old lady with her stick. So this is a very good action and the thoughts, isn't it? Like there are many things like taking care of your younger ones. Yes, respecting elders. Yes, then suppose I can give you one more example. Suppose you are sitting, suppose you are traveling in a bus. Yes, and you are sitting. Yes, you are sitting, suddenly an elderly person, yes, or a elderly person and has entered or getting into the bus. Now that person is standing. At that time, what you should do? You should leave your seat and ask that elderly person to sit on the seat. Yes, to yeah. So this is a very good value, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so these are the values and the habits you learn from your family members. Okay, now as I have already told in the last class, that there are different values and the different habits which we learn from our family members, and what you have learned will be different of what I have learned. Clear? So let us see the different habits. First is the type of food we like to eat. Yes, what you are eating, what type of food you are eating will be different of what type of food I am eating, isn't it? That one also you have learned from your family members itself. Yes. The next is the way we eat. Yes, how we eat the food, in a very ugly way or in a very decent way. That one also we have learned from our family members. The next is table manners. Yes, how you are behaving in the while taking the food, that is also we learn from our family members. Next is the time we go to bed and wake up. Yes, sometimes in some of our in some of your family in some of your families you might have the habit of having the dinner early, going to bed early, and even in the morning also getting up early. But some of you may have the habit of having a dinner late, going to bed late, and waking up late in the morning. So these are all the habits that differ from the families. Okay. Next is how loudly or softly we talk or we laugh. Yes, this is also one important thing. How you talk, the way you talk, it also depends how what you have learned or how you have learned from your family members. Okay. Okay, the next is different values from our family. Now what are the different values we have learned from our family? See here, being kind and helpful. Yes, to be kind and to help each other, this is also a very good value we are learning from our family members. Yes or no? We have seen our family members, we have seen our elders, we have seen our parents, they are helping each other. So we have learned that one, and we are also doing the same. The next is respecting others. Yes, this is also a very important value. Yes, that we are learning from the from our family, that to respect others, to talk politely with elders. Yes, to talk politely with elders, to talk nicely with the youngers. Yes, that means to whomever we are talking to, whoever we are meeting, we are respecting them. Yes. Okay, next is being disciplined. Yes, doing everything in work. Yes, you are not late. If you suppose everything doing the work right from the morning to the night, what you are doing everything in time regularly, this is also a very good value you are learning from your family. Okay, so these are the different values and the different habits we learn from our family members, and those habits and the values will be different in different families. Understood? So today we will stop till here. Clear?